Hi, friends. I'm super excited today. Do you know why? Because we are doing a social studies lesson together today. Now, just like the last few lessons, I will not be reading from your history textbook. I'm going to be reading from a different book, but I'm going to be talking about the same information that's in your textbook. But if after we're done, you want to maybe go ahead and read your textbook, you can do that. So, just like the last lesson, we do not have any vocabulary words, but as words come up that we may need to talk about some more, we definitely will. So, let's get started. Today's lesson is going to be about communication from the past and present. Have you ever heard of this word before? Communication? Communication, or to communicate, means that you are sharing ideas and words with others. So, right now, I'm communicating to you because I'm reading a book to you. I'm sharing with you words and some ideas. All right, let's get started. Communication through history. There are many ways to communicate. Communication was different in the past. Long ago, people often wrote letters. Mail carriers delivered them on foot. Have you ever written a letter before? Have you maybe gotten a letter in the mail? I love when I get a letter in the mail. People still sometimes mail letters, but trucks make delivery faster. I have a question. What else might make mail delivery faster now? I think today that different machines are probably used to help mail get delivered faster. I have another question. Do you know what it means to deliver something? To deliver something means that you're taking something to someone. So maybe you get delivered pizza, and a delivery person from the pizzeria would bring the pizza to you. They have brought something to you. The telegraph was invented in the 1800s. This machine sent messages. Have you ever heard of a telegraph before? Over here is a picture of a telegraph. A telegraph is a machine that sends messages over a wire. I think that's a really cool idea. Machines still send messages, but they look different from a telegraph. What kind of machines send messages now? Now we have machines like phones and computers. With a phone, you can send a text message. You can also make a phone call. With a computer, you can write an email. You can go on to different websites to help you communicate. We use Teams, and that's one way that we can communicate. And we're using a computer or an iPad or a tablet. Now we have electronics to help us communicate. People used to use radio waves to talk from far away. Have you ever heard of this word before? Radio waves? Radio waves are waves that move through the air that carry sound. We cannot see radio waves, but they are all around us. people can still talk using radio waves. Radios also play music, but many people talk and play music on their phones. People used phones long ago, but all phones had cords and wires. How else do you think phones long ago were different? Here's a picture of a phone from long ago. This phone in the picture is a lot bigger than most phones that we see today. And also, this phone has this circle over here, which is used to help us dial someone, which helps us call someone. And now, we don't usually see buttons or the circle. Most phones that we use today are smooth. How do you communicate? I communicate by writing emails. I communicate by texting. I communicate by talking on the phone. I communicate by writing letters to my friends and my family. I communicate a bunch of different ways. The end. But before we finish, I'm going to read the then and now page. So first, I'm going to read the then column. Mail was delivered on foot. Telegraph sent messages. Radio waves were used to talk from far away. And then the today column. Mail is delivered by truck. Computers send messages. Cell phones let us talk from far away. All right, kiddos, we are all done with social studies today. What did you find most interesting about our lesson today? I thought it was really neat talking about the telegraph. I don't see a telegraph used today, and I thought it was super cool learning about a telegraph and how it was used long ago. All right, friends, we are all done for the day. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye!